Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to undo a delete here in Clickfunnels. All right. If you're just referring to a simple undo, for example, you have mistakenly edited something and you want it back. For example, playbook right here. You have entered play zone. Okay. Now you decided you wanted to get it back. Just press Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard or Ctrl plus Z. Okay. Like so, as you can see, it's back. So if you're referring to maybe deleting something, like deleting a page or a step, right here, for example, remember this step name, okay? Or page name, 2-step book page. Let's say you have removed it, okay? And you didn't save it as an archive, all right? Before, you can just easily click on archive and it will be moved to your archived folders. But now you don't have that simple option, okay? So you have deleted it. Remember the name, okay? So the way to find that is by just going to your workspace settings right here at the left panel. And then go to pages. And here we have it, okay? You can just easily link this one back by just adding a new page in your funnel. And select this one as a template. It will be automatically saved as a template as well. If you want to check it out, click on open a new window and it'll still be there. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.